Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at an Indigo Night 2012 Hyundai Elantra GLS, stock number A7529. Starting up front, you have factory fog lights. Hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim here. We'll get a close-up on the tread of the tires here. Inside, you have a gray cloth upholstery, which is in fantastic condition. You have seating for 2 in the front row, and there is seating for 3 in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Elantra. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is keyless entry for the trunk. As you can see, it's very clean back here. That second row seating does fold into a 60-40 split to give you some extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you this Hyundai today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities here. There are carpeted floor mats. This is equipped with traction control. Stepping inside, on the left of the steering wheel here, you have audio controls. On the right-hand side, you have your cruise control buttons. There are HomeLink garage door opener buttons here on the rear view mirror. And then coming down to the center, you have a CD player along with an AM/FM radio, and you do have capabilities for XM satellite radio. Coming down underneath of that, you have your climate controls. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission with a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine and highway mileage that's going to get you around 38 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Elantra or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.